Ace Studio AI versus Suno AI music generator. Choosing the right AI music generator can transform how you create music without complicated setups. Both offer unique tools to generate music, but their approaches and features differ significantly. Ace Studio AI and Suno are AI-powered music generators designed to assist creators. Ace Studio AI focuses on customizable music creation with advanced editing, while Suno emphasizes fast, AI-driven music generation with ease of use. The core difference lies in customization versus speed. Ace Studio AI is a comprehensive AI music generator that allows users to create and customize music tracks with precision. It works by leveraging deep learning models trained on diverse musical styles, enabling detailed control over instruments, tempo, and mood. Users can fine-tune compositions, making it ideal for producers seeking creative flexibility. Strengths include its rich editing capabilities and high-quality output, making it suitable for professional use and complex projects. However, this depth can also be a limitation for beginners, as the interface may require a learning curve. Ace Studio AI is perfect for musicians and content creators who want hands-on control over AI-generated music and are comfortable exploring advanced features for tailored results. Suno is an AI music generator designed for quick and effortless music creation. It uses state-of-the-art AI models to generate full tracks based on simple inputs like genre or mood, focusing on speed and accessibility. Suno's strength lies in its ability to produce high-quality music rapidly, making it ideal for users who want instant results without deep customization. The platform is user-friendly, perfect for beginners or those needing music on demand for videos, podcasts, or games. However, Suno offers less control over detailed aspects of the composition compared to Ace Studio AI, which may limit creative flexibility for advanced users. Suno suits creators who prioritize efficiency and simplicity over intricate editing capabilities. When comparing Ace Studio AI and Suno, the choice depends on your music creation needs. Ace Studio AI excels in detailed customization, allowing producers to shape every element of their tracks, ideal for professional projects requiring precision. Suno, on the other hand, shines in speed and simplicity, delivering ready-to-use music with minimal input, perfect for quick content creation. If you need full control and are willing to invest time learning the platform, Ace Studio AI is the better fit. For fast, hassle-free music generation without technical complexity, Suno stands out. Both produce high-quality music, but the trade-off is between customization depth and ease of use. Choose Ace Studio AI if you want detailed control and advanced customization for professional-grade music creation that fits specific project needs. Opt for Suno if you need fast, high-quality music generation with minimal effort, perfect for creators who value convenience and speed. Both tools are powerful, so select based on whether you prioritize control or simplicity to elevate your music production.